the pain level that the client experiences during the procedure is really minimal. I usually tell clients it's more of an annoying type of pain. It kind of feels similar to like popping blackheads or getting an intense facial.
My name is Cindy Tang, and I'm getting a Faux Freckles permanent makeup tattoo done today. I've always been super into fashion and makeup, and I definitely moved to LA for it. So I always wanted to try out the newest trend to see what's popping out there. When I first heard about Faux Freckle, I was kind of unsure because most people decide to draw them so that they can remove it and change their look like every other day. I feel like freckles enhance natural beauty, and even though mine will be fake, but I will still want to achieve that like embrace yourself type of energy.
My name is Nora Grace, and I'm a cosmetic tattoo artist at Fiction Cosmetic Tattooing in Echo Park, Los Angeles. I got started in cosmetic tattooing after working in the film industry for a couple years. I used to do special effects makeup and then kind of transitioned into the world of tattooing just because I wanted more of like a client connection and wanted to be able to help people out. I do have my own faux freckles on my face, and I did them myself. Because of my background in special effects makeup and just kind of working with skin tones and all of that, I had a feeling it was one of those things I'd be able to kind of perfect, and it ended up working out really great. And now I've kind of been able to perfect my technique for myself and on clients. It's been giving me really, really great healed results.
I think Instagram has a lot of fake freckle filters because a lot of girls have natural freckles, so other people see, oh, it could be something that's cute, they see the beauty in it.
I do think that I've been doing more faux freckle procedures since the Instagram filters came out. It's really easy to try them on with a filter, and they kind of get hooked on them. Cosmetic tattooing is generally a little more surface level, so it's not quite as permanent in your body. We use specialty pigments that are created to kind of fade over time so that we can update your look and make sure that it ages well with you, as opposed to body tattooing, which is permanent.
I feel like I'm not too scared of needles, but in the same time, I feel like that's like the biggest part about this procedure that I'm super worried about.
I put some numbing cream on the client while I set up my tools. Each client has their own individual skin tone with unique undertones and all of that. So I have a couple pigment colors that are generally my go-tos for freckles, but I always swatch them on the client's skin first just to make sure that it's a good match for their undertones and for their existing skin. After Cindy has numbed for a while, I wipe off the numbing cream and then I start to draw the freckles on Cindy. After Cindy is happy with the freckle placement, we begin tattooing. I take one of my smaller needles, I dip it in my first color of pigment, and I start gently tattooing each one of the freckles on Cindy's cheeks. I start on her cheeks and slowly move in towards the center of her face. After a first pass, I will then wipe the pigment from Cindy's face and then apply a secondary numbing agent. This secondary numbing agent just helps to ensure that Cindy is really comfortable through the whole procedure. After I do a first pass over all of the freckles and make sure they're all laid in place, and get the secondary numbing agent on them. I then wipe the agent off and start tattooing a second pass. In the second pass of tattooing, I'm making sure that everything is exactly how I want it to be. And I just kind of bounce around to add those little irregularities in before I have Cindy take her final look. Okay, here, take a look.
Oh my god, they're so cute. They're like 3D right now. So cool. I'm super happy with the result. I feel super cute afterwards. I told my boss and my friends I'm getting Faux Freckles done, and when they see me after their treatment, they were like, oh my god, let me see. And I just feel like, oh.
The freckles came out so cute on Cindy, and she was so happy and just glowing, which made them look even cuter. It's always great when a client is really, really thrilled when you show them the mirror, and she was, so it made them look extra adorable.
My aftercare process, I just use a super mild, gentle cleanser over the face, and I would pat dry it really fast as soon as I'm done washing, as well as moisturizer.
The aftercare process for freckles is really easy. I always tell clients the most important thing is to just treat it like a tattoo. So you want to keep it clean and you want to keep it dry. You just got to trust your skin to kind of heal itself, and usually within a couple of days your freckles will have kind of peeled and revealed this really soft, natural look underneath.
After I got my treatment, there's a lot of scabbing going on around the second day or the third day. And after I wash my face and gently pat dry it, some of them just kind of disappear throughout the days. You can definitely see there's like light and dark dimension in it.
I usually tell clients that faux freckles can last anywhere from 1 to 3 years, but this really depends on the client's skincare, the client's sun exposure, and just the client's skin itself and how it retains pigments.
I definitely feel better about myself after getting full freckle done, because everyone first thing they noticed my freckles. And they were like, oh my god, that's so cute. I didn't know you have freckles. I'm like, thank you for watching Refinery29. For more video, click here, and to subscribe, click here.